Hello friends, this is Ashirwad here. In this video we are going to learn how to convert a string value into a numeric type. Okay, so let's begin. The technique that we are going to use to achieve the required numeric value out of a string is called using parse methods. Okay, and we have different parse methods for obtaining different types of numeric values. For example, if you want to get an int value from a string, or if you want to convert a string to int, you are going to use integer.parseInt. Okay, and of course we have to supply the string value which we want to convert inside the brackets of this method. So what is integer here? It's an inbuilt class, and in fact we have inbuilt classes for all the available numeric types such as long, byte, short, double and float. Okay, and inside these classes we have the methods for obtaining the numeric value, as we have parseInt for obtaining int value, we have parse long for obtaining long type of value, parse byte for byte type of value, and so on. So let me actually write what these methods return. If we are using integer.parseInt in order to convert a string to int, you're going to get int value, or in fact I should write it returns int value. Okay, and similarly talking about this, it returns long value, and here we are going to get byte value, and short.parse short is going to give us short type of value, parse double is going to give us double type of value, and at last float.parse float is going to give us float value. So these are some methods that we are going to use in order to convert a string into any of these numeric types. So let me show you an example. In the NetBeans IDE I have made a program in which I have declared an integer variable, string variable s, and I have stored a value 50 in it. Now obviously if you want to convert a string into some numeric type, then the value that you are storing or you have stored in the string variable must be convertible. Like if I write anything other than number, for example ABC, the question is, will I be able to convert this ABC into any of these numeric types? The answer is no, because the value ABC is not compatible, is not convertible. Okay, so you must write a number inside the double quotes as a string, then only it will be convertible. So what I'm going to do is I am going to store this value 50 in all these variables I have declared. So in int var I'm going to store the converted integer value, in long var I am going to store the converted long value, and so on. So let's write some code and get these converted values. So first of all, int var equal to, so which method should I use here? I want to get integer value from the string, So the class is of course integer, and the method is going to be parse int, and inside the bracket I have to write s because it is s that we want to convert. In fact, the value of s, which is 50, will be converted into int and will be stored in this variable int_var. And after this I can write this long_var. So which class should I use here? Long. Okay, and the method will be same as parse method, but the name will be parse long, and rest of the things will remain same. Similarly for byte var, we are going to use byte class dot parse byte s, and for short var equal to short dot parse short, and double var is equal to double dot parse double, and float var equal to float dot parse float. So that's it. We have successfully converted converted the given string value and stored it in the respective numeric forms in these variables. So we can do one more thing here. We can simply print them on screen, so it's clear that they are converted successfully. So system.out.println, let me write some message here first, that int value is plus int var, and I'm going to copy this line six times, and I can change the text like long value is long var, short value is short var. I missed out something. This is actually byte, and the variable will be byte var. This will be short var, and the message will be short value, and then we have double value. The variable name is double var, and at last we have float value, which is stored in float var. So that's it, our program is ready, and now we can execute. So shift F6, and as you can see on my output screen, these values are printed, and if you observe them carefully, you can clearly see that this is integer, this is long, byte, short, and it has automatically converted into double by adding this 0.0 thing with it, and same for float. So this is the technique by following which we can convert a given string into any numeric type required in the program. So I hope you have understood the concepts well. So thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe.